Hey, hello! Would you like to reconnect with someone after a bad argument or tell someone that you love them? Call me old-fashioned, but the handwritten letter I feel is still the highest form of communication. You know why? Because most of all, it's about the effort you put into it. You get a piece of paper, you get a pen, you start writing it in your own handwriting. You take your time and you reflect during every sentence. It's very personal also because no handwriting is exactly the same. It's beautiful, almost art. So after writing it, you put a stamp on it, you walk to the post office and mail it. Then you really made it a thing full of effort. The recipient will appreciate that. They know that the message in the letter is well meant, because otherwise you probably wouldn't have taken such an effort. And also, the recipient doesn't have to respond immediately. They can let it sink in and reply a little bit later. So, those are all good reasons to send a handwritten letter if you really want to communicate in a strong way. But how do you do that in a way that it is also enjoyable and healing for yourself? Because writing a letter can also be a way of releasing emotions, writing it off your chest, almost literally. It keeps you off the screen and it exercises several areas of your brain as well. It's kind of a meditation really, perhaps even therapeutic. And it's nice if you make it a kind of a ritual. So, before you start the actual writing, it's good to get your head clear. Think about what you want to write. The first thoughts about the content of your letter usually come up when you take some time before picking up the pen. You could, for instance, go for a nice walk. Hiking in nature in particular is very healing and give you some clear thoughts and ideas. Then make it a nice, maybe half an hour at your home. Light a candle. That gives a nice cozy atmosphere because of the warm light and it can make you feel relaxed. Maybe put some easy listening or classical music on, really for the background, and start writing. Think consciously about the person while writing it, because if you believe in telepathy, they could also get a hunch that there is a kind of communication going on. That can be a very nice feeling. And if you don't believe that, at least it is pleasurable to visualize the person you're writing to. So, write the letter, finish it, put it in an envelope, enjoy putting a stamp on it and bring it to the post office, and then let go. It's out there on its way to the recipient. So after you send it, start doing other things. Think about other things, and I'm quite sure you'll get a nice answer in a few days. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Okay, bye.